Welcome back on this Tuesday morning. So for today might be a little bit hazy outside. Why? Well, there are wildfires up into Canada and the jet stream has it positioned as such that we're going to have some of those particles move into our atmosphere. So it might be a little bit hazy. Otherwise, the midweek will be a little seasonal as we head towards the end of the week on Thursday. That's when our next disturbance starts to move in with some moisture. It's going to bring in some rain towards the afternoon. Following this system, we do have a cooler than normal weekend. Here's the jet stream. So there we are right in the UP. We do have a northwest wind flow in the jet stream. So that's funneling in air out of Canada. There it is. That's what I'm talking about. There are wildfires up into Canada, so a lot of that smoke gets carried with the jet stream. That's why it might be a little bit hazy at times today, maybe even extending into tomorrow. The way it looks towards the end of the week, though, there's a little ripple of energy, a trough or a little small area of low pressure that digs in as we head towards Friday and into Saturday. That's going to be accompanied with our next disturbance for the end of the week. That's the one that has moisture with it and it'll bring in some rain. This one right here, this cold front that's just to our north, doesn't have moisture with it, so it's just going to change our temperatures. It's going to bring in some cooler air, but this front will pass us today from north to south, and then as the day progresses, you'll notice it because it becomes cooler by the afternoon. In the moment, right now, it's just mostly clear with some light winds. Aside from that, you might have noticed, well, pollen count is high for trees. Otherwise, weeds, grass, and mold on the low end, but definitely feeling some of those allergies out there as a lot of those trees start to bud. Temperatures today are highs for the most part into the 60s early on, and then watch those temperatures fall throughout the course of the day. This is 3 o'clock this afternoon. We're looking at 40s near Lake Superior, mid to upper 50s towards the extreme south. And then as we head towards tomorrow, we start off with temperatures in the lower 40s. Highs tomorrow will be a little bit below normal near the shorelines, the Great Lakes 40s to 50s. We're looking at the 60s across the interior western sections of the UP. So that's where you'll find the mild conditions tomorrow. Otherwise, it will be slightly cooler tomorrow. Our next opportunity for rain comes on Thursday, as I mentioned. The first half of Thursday looks good with clouds increasing. Late in the afternoon, we start to see a few of these rain showers work in with this cold front. This is 4:30 in the afternoon. We're expecting those rain showers to continue to pass from west to east and amplify as we head towards Friday. So I would suggest that Friday is probably the best day to keep the umbrella around. We start off with those rain showers. It looks like we have a little bit of